I think when you think about energy consumption, it raises a number of issues, some which are very challenging to businesses and to politicians. It's not always popular to take decisions about how you tell people they should manage their energy consumption, and certainly in our own analysis of possible future energy outlooks, one of the scenarios points to a picture in which very little is done actually to manage energy efficiency, to have people change the way they consume or even think very deeply about the impact of what they consume and where. If you have low energy costs and you can predict relatively low energy for months, years, even decades out, that has a very formative impact on the type of shape and form that cities develop. China could have 1,000 new cities of 500,000 to 1 million people by the middle of this century. It's absolutely phenomenal rate of urban growth. China can make choices. Now, it may not be able to make choices based on predicted low energy prices, but that actually might mean that China makes the decisions, if it controls its urban development, to build much denser, more tightly packed cities where we know through better use of technology on water, on waste, on energy, on transportation, that major savings in energy can be achieved. We know that countries like China and India are expanding coal-fired power generation with no means of abating the carbon emitted by those power stations. And we know that those coal-fired power stations will still continue to be emitting in 10, 20, 30, even 40 years' time. We have to push for market-based solutions to handling levels of emissions in the atmosphere, CO2, greenhouse gases, and all of these things. We've got to look at the technologies that are really going to deliver lower carbon solutions in the years and decades to come, because as we know, the decisions we make today will be reflected out over a long, long period of time.